Hi folks, I hope this video catches you at a good time. My name is Uday Lamba and I am the founder at Bizpower. Now Bizpower is a networking group for business owners. It is based in Pune and our agenda is or our focus is on helping business owners grow through referrals, connections and long-term business relationships. Now, I'm going to talk about a topic today which is called commit first and figure the rest later. This is such a powerful sentence or a statement which has helped me in the years in business. It has helped me convince people to a certain extent, and it has helped business owners also change their lives. I'm inspired by a true gentleman and a very, very big business owner based in the US. His name is Grant Cardone, and I follow him a lot, and through him I learned this sentence which is again so powerful. It is called commit first and figure the rest. Right? Let me take you through an example. The example goes as such. Now, I am a real estate advisor as well, right? I've been practicing real estate brokerage since the past 9 years. One example through which I'm going to relate commit first and figure the rest later. Now, I met a client who wanted to buy a 2 BHK flat in the Baner location of Pune, right? Now, he had seen quite a few properties, went to quite a few projects, 8 or 9 of them to evaluate. Nothing fitted his mind, nothing suited his family's needs. Family was accompanying him, the wife, the kid, the parents, etc. Nothing fitted their mind. They approached me through a strong reference, and that's where the magic happened. So reference is equal to 50% work done. I always say this to whoever I come across, 50% work done. All you have to do is be good in your business, be ethically right and strong in trying to help the customer. And that's where the handsome closure comes through. Okay, coming back to the topic. Now, this client met me. I first of all have a habit of going ahead and meeting every client who I come across. So I have a scheduled meeting with them for about half an hour to 45 minutes and understanding their need, telling them about myself, my services, on how I can be a profit to them in terms of their business, etc. Learn more about them, their family, their need, etc. and then go ahead. Okay. So number one, the meeting works wonders for me. So I got to learn about his requirement. I told him I will do some homework for the next 2-3 days and I will show him 2-3 products or 2-3 projects which may match his need. I took him to one which is the Malpani project in Baner. It somewhat suited their need, but they wanted to explore a little more. Understanding their need more in detail at that meeting, I took them to a project who's a top developer in Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore and other cities as well. Supreme is the name. So I took them to Supreme. Now the husband and wife accompanied me in the morning at about 9:30. The office opens at about 9:30, 10. Right? I'd instructed the sales team at the project to make sure that my clients are handled properly and they are shown the project details, all the specifications right, etc. Okay, so now we are sitting at the site, the briefing is done, they've learnt about the project, they've learnt about the amenities, they've learnt about the infrastructure, they've learnt about the price, they've learnt about all the demographics and all the things the builder is going to provide them. Now came a time when they wanted to go out of the site and come back the next day, right? But then they had a meeting between themselves and they wanted to spend more time at the site, go maybe to the first floor, second floor, see the amenity space around and then take a decision. So they ended up calling their family members who came in. The brother came in, the brother's wife came in, the parents came in, the girl's parents came in, and it was a huge family affair at the site. Now just imagine this, from 10 a.m. in the morning, 9:30, 10 a.m. in the morning, these clients were there at the site till it shut. They were there till about 9:30 and I was with them the whole time. N number of questions, n number of doubts, family talking between each other, I'm between them. We in fact ended up having our breakfast, lunch, dinner at the site itself. I had managed to arrange this with the help of the sales team, and they were pretty sure that these people are keen, but they are a little on the back foot to take the big plunge in confirming the flat for themselves. So it was evening, and the husband said, I want to take a stroll outside with you. Can we go? It was about 7:38 in the evening. Now, we stepped out of the site, we walked a little bit. There was nobody except the watchman and a few stray dogs playing. So we went to this went outside. We were roaming, and he was telling me about the basic things which he had already repeated in the conversation we had during the whole day. So it was like the conversation had a few specific questions related to my daughter is studying in a school which is at Balewadi itself. She's going to be shifting here. She's going to be going to the 4th standard. My wife is a bit far. We are all the way at Pimple Saudagar, and from Pimple Saudagar we have to travel to Baner. It's going to be a hurdle. Parents are staying all the way in Pimple Saudagar. It'll be a hurdle, etc. So all these questions. Then they had doubts of the traffic situation and all these other things which are related to buying real estate, a water connection issue, all that. So I listened to him very patiently. After listening to him very patiently, I understood that there is actually no big problem in him finalizing the apartment. There is no big problem. These are just teething issues which any human being can come or go through. So I told him this sentence. I told him, I want you to take a deep breath first, okay? Stay silent for a second and just listen to me. This one sentence may change your life, and it has changed a lot of lives. It's changed my life. It has changed the life of the person who I learned this from, and he advised me in every situation where we are blocked or we have a doubt to move ahead. You say to yourself or ask yourself to commit first and figure the rest later. So everything around you, all those questions around you which are stopping you from taking the big decision, will automatically sideline themselves and fall back. And the main picture, which is finalizing the house at the moment, which is priority at a steel deal, is what you need to do. So I told him to commit first and figure the rest. This is where, in a few seconds, in a snap of fingers, he was able to take this decision for himself. And he told me this, that see, I am not bothered about what my wife is going to tell me, her parents are going to tell me, my parents are going to tell me. Boss, I am going in there and signing that document and finalizing this house today. Thank you for giving me an eye-opener, and thank you for just taking me through this. And that is a job of a real estate consultant. It is not just showing apartments here and there. That warmth, that share, and also the motivation. So that clicked from me, and it has clicked in a lot more transactions. Only thing is, I club a lot of things together, which is listening to the client, having a meeting with them, coordinating, and making sure I have the right knowledge regarding the location, etc. All these are clubbed, and then I come to the commit first and figure the rest later. I've used this sentence a lot even in this video. I hope you try and relate from where I'm coming. So every member in Bizpower Wealth Builders today, I want you to listen to this video, take an understanding for yourself, see where you stand at the moment, and just commit first and figure the rest later. You are in a system which is organized. We are growing at a certain power. We want to grow with your assistance, with your support, with your energy in the meetings. So make sure you commit first and you attend the meetings and figure the rest later. You do not need to think about factors of numbers today in terms of we are just 15, we are just 20, we are just 30, we are just 10. That is not really important. The power of 10 when we meet is more powerful than the power of 100 people. There is a whole theory behind it. So when you meet me in person, ask me that theory and I will explain to you, right? So we go by We concentrate less on the quantity and we go by quality. We need to learn to come together at these Collab Connect gatherings to meet, greet, create business opportunities, make sure the visitors who come to our meeting are felt warm, only focus on creating opportunities, having a no nonsense meeting, no talking about the outside world. 2 hours of energy, positive energy in these Collab Connect meetings. So that's the whole structure. Commit yourself first and figure the rest later. I'm going to keep taking these videos to motivate you and make sure that the Bizpower movement or the Bizpower community grows even beyond our expectations. This is just the beginning of something really fantastic. There are a lot of training sessions which I have in mind. I'm going to keep doing that in order to create our culture within, so that we keep focusing on only three things: referrals, connections, and building long lasting relationships. Take care and have a wonderful day. Wait till the other videos are going to be coming up. Bye bye.